We are compared between two mobile Galaxy S25 Ultra, Galaxy Z Fold 6. Thickness 8.2 mm, better than 12.1 mm. Weight 218 gram, better than 239 gram. Glass big and titanium rim, better. Resistance IP68, better. Mine are almost same size. Display type AMOLED, same. Resolution Quad Plus, better. Refresh rate 120 Hz, same. Sampling rate 240 Hz, same. Brightness 2600 nits, same. Protection Armor Glass 2, better. Both mine are HDR10 Plus support. Android 15, better than Android 14. Snapdragon 8 Elite, better. 3 nanometer, better than 4 nanometer. Both mine are octa-core processor. GPU Adreno 830, better. Both mine are almost same variants. Storage type UFS 4.0 SAM. Card slot support, no. 200 megapixel main camera. 50 megapixel main camera. Main camera video recording 8K resolution, same. 12 megapixel and 10 megapixel, same. Front camera video recording 4K resolution, same. 5000 mAh, better. Charging 45 watt, better. Both will are 5G network support. Bluetooth 5.4, better than 5.3. Cable type C 3.2, same. Sound. Both mine are stereo speaker. Security. In-display fingerprint, better. Price. Galaxy Z Fold, better price. Now check our winner. Galaxy S25 Ultra winner. Thanks for watching. For more video, please subscribe.